Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to another video tutorial. The topic is plant versus animal cell. The learning objectives of students will be able to recall that plants and animals are multicellular organisms. Students will explore both similarities and differences between the two and create a Venn diagram to show what they know. Plants and animal cells' main similarities is that both have mitochondria, vacuoles, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. In plant cell, there is a chloroplast, cell wall, one large central vacuole. Nucleus is usually pushed to the side and rectangular shape. In animal cell, there is no cell wall. Basically, cell wall is a rigid firm coating around the outside of the cell membrane. It is made up of cellulose, which helps the plant's cell keep its shape and makes stems and branches strong. Let's start. Cell shape. In animal cell, irregular in shape, but in plant cell, typically rectangular in shape. Cell size. Animal cell size is 10 to 30 micrometers, but in plant cells 10 to 100 micrometers. Energy. Remember that animal cells do not produce their own energy, but store energy as glycogen. Plant cells produce energy through photosynthesis and store energy as starch. Do you remember this definition of organelles? Organelles are the different structures inside a cell that each have different jobs or functions to complete in the cell. This is the diagram related to cell organelles. In plant cell, chloroplast, nucleus, cell membrane, cell wall, mitochondria. But in animal cell, only mitochondria, nucleus, and cell membrane. Understand my point? These are all the cell organelles. Okay, the main difference between the animal cell and plant cell. Plant versus animal cell. Okay, in this diagram you can see that like this, plant cell have chloroplast, plant cell have chloroplast, nucleus, nucleus, mitochondria, cell membrane. In animal cell, there is a cell, no cell wall. In animal cell, no cell wall. Okay, here is a question. What is a vacuole? This is a large space in the middle of the cell. It is filled with a fluid called cell sap. A cell is approximately 80 micrometers in size and has a rectangular shape. This is a question. Scientists identify small structure called chloroplast in a cell. All of you know that in plant cell, chloroplast is present. A cell lacks a cell wall and contains glycogen. Plant or animal cell. This is also a question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.